Sometimes we're working with a quadratic equation, but the expression requires some simplification first. Let's look at this important case. Let's read together our helpful hint. Be sure to remove the parentheses and combine like terms first. Then write the equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 before choosing your method of solution. Let's see how we can use these steps of simplification and follow our helpful hint. First, we notice we have a parentheses to remove. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 6 would give us negative 12x. On the right-hand side, we have 6 minus x. It's not in the correct form that we want, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In order to get everything on the left-hand side equal to 0, we're going to add x to each side of the equation. That would give us 2x squared minus 11x. We will also like to add negative 6 to each side of the equation. This gives us the form 2x squared minus 11x minus 6 equals 0. Now we have a choice. We could use completing the square or the quadratic formula, but this is the kind of problem that can be factored quite quickly. We know to get the first term to be 2x squared, we have to multiply 2x times x. And then for the 6, we think of the possible factors 6 and 1 and 3 and 2. In this case, we're going to try the value of 6 in the second parentheses and 1 in the end of the first parentheses. And for signs, we know if we put a minus sign here, we have minus 12x. If we put a plus sign here, we have plus 1x. Minus 12x added to plus 1x is minus 11x. So the middle term comes out correctly. There are two parentheses to set equal to 0. One will give us the value x equals minus 1/2. The other one, x minus 6 equals 0, gives us the value x equals 6. So we have two solutions, x equals minus 1/2 and x equals 6. It's important before you use the procedures of factoring or completing the square or the quadratic formula, be sure you simplify your quadratic equation first.